Hi students, welcome to Ganesh sir classes. In the series of diseases, that too disease caused by bacteria, we have completed tuberculosis, cholera, tetanus, syphilis, diphtheria, typhoid. Now we are going to learn about whooping cough. Whooping cough. If you haven't watched those videos, I request you to please do watch those videos. Please do like this content, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. It's my humble request. Now, this whooping cough is also called as Haemophilus pertussis, and I request you to take down the notes also along with me. Haemophilus Haemophilus pertussis pertussis pertussis, and it is caused by Bordetella pertussis, caused by Bordetella pertussis. It is caused by what? Bordetella pertussis. It is in a bacteria. It is in a bacteria. Along with this content, if you want any other topics need to be covered, please do comment in this comment box. Thereby, I'll cover those topics for you. Okay. It is caused by what? Bordetella pertussis. Now, what is the incubation period? What is the incubation period? The incubation period of this whooping cough is 10 to 15 days. Caused by what? Bordetella pertussis. Bordetella pertussis. Now, what is the mode of transmission? What is the mode of transmission? Mode of transmission. Mode of transmission. I request you to please take down the running notes. Thereby, your preparation will become very easy. Okay. Through contact, through contact, and a droplet from the infected person, droplet from infected person, infected person. It is the respiratory tract disease. Respiratory tract. It will infect the respiratory tract. This is the disease only found in humans. Only found in humans. Very, very important. Human. It is only found in what? Where? Humans. And and what are the symptoms of this? What are the symptoms of this whooping cough? Symptoms of the whooping cough. The symptoms of the whooping coughs are cold with runny nose, cold with runny nose, cold with what? Running nose, running nose, and bouts of coughing, bouts of coughing. Along with this, oof develops as a sudden bout of the noisy breath. See, whenever we check with the stethoscope, now whenever we are checking the patient, after the cough, we get a sound like oof, oofing sound will be developed. Okay, oof sound will be developed. Because this sound will be developed, we call it as what? We call it as a oofing cough. Okay, it is also called as Haemophilus pertussis. Okay, Haemophilus pertussis. So, what is the treatment or what is the prevention? What is the prevention? The prevention is we have a vaccine. We have a vaccine called DPT immunization. DPT immunization. See, we have seen diphtheria. Now we are completing this pertussis. So, whooping cough is also called as what? Pertussis. So, in the vaccination, vaccination of the DPT, okay, this diphtheria and pertussis. This is a what to say. So we have a vaccination called as a DPT vaccination. Along with this, we have the antibiotics also to cure this disease. Okay, thank you so much. Please do share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and all the best for your examination. Thank you so much.